Good morning, introduce me. My name is Yela Chantika. I will presentation about my business plan. I hope you are listening with carefully. Thank you. Business plan, Arputala Radio Gen Z, sahabat kesunyian. English semester final exam supporting lecturer Ira Ida Justina, Bachelor Education, Magister Education, presented by Yola Cantika, 2196-2783. Communication Science Study Program, Faculty of Economy and Social, University of Amikom Yogyakarta, 2021/2022. List of contents, Chapter 1 Introduction, Chapter 2 General Plan, Chapter 3 Implementation Method, Chapter 4 Closing of the Plan. Chapter 1 Introduction. Business Profile. Arputala is the name of the radio station that we will realize. Therefore, our aim in proposing and also presenting this is to obtain the official letter and permission to establish our radio station, which of course we have designed in such a way in detail to understand our intent and purpose. Here is a complete explanation of our logo and then we explain the details. Logo. Radio station name Arputala, frequency 95.2 FM, transmit power 3000 watts, characteristic creative and innovative youth. Audience profile teenagers and adults. The meaning of the name Arputala is taken from the first two letters of the name of the radio founder. The meaning of Gen Z radio, friends of silence, is wanting to be a friend of young people in their work and development, not just friends when they are bored. Three red stripes mean Arputala broadcasts everything boldly and energetically. In psychology, the color red means a symbol of courage, strength, energy, and symbolizes joy. The light blue color in the letter Stala means refreshing and friendly. So, Arputala hopes that listeners will feel refreshed after hearing our broadcast. Dark blue means reliable, and blue is also a color that brings trust and professionalism. Vision and mission in our company. Create radio media so that it will be liked and heard by many people like it used to be. And we want to make it radio friendly for teenagers and young people because so far radio is considered old and outdated. Therefore, the step that we will take for this vision is to rejuvenate radio which has been considered ancient by looking for broadcaster or announcer who are young, cool, and of course up to date with all viral news and music. Second, we will organize schedules and content according to the listeners' activities. For example, we put a music segment when they are doing activities, and we put a segment of exciting events when they are resting. For example, stand-up comedy or podcast shows, and of course, there are many other events. Why? Because our current goal is to try to get our radio to get a broadcast permit as soon as possible and to realize our vision and mission as soon as possible. Therefore, in this proposal, we make a complete explanation of our aims and objectives. We also provide a big picture of what activities we will carry out along with the design of the establishment of this radio as follows. Chapter 2 General Plan. Demographic targets and potential. Types of music listeners with percentage. Popular Indonesia 25%. Popular Indonesia 25%. West 25%. K-pop 15%. Dangdut 10%. Indie 15%. Age of listeners percentage. 11 to 15 years old is 10%. 16 to 20 years old is 30%. 20 to 25 years old is 30%. 25 to 30 years old is 20%. 31 to 35 years old is 10%. Job of listeners. Student is 35%, civil servant is 5%, private employees is 15%, housewife is 5%, entrepreneur is 15%, other is 15%. Social economic listeners, upper economy is 10%, middle up is 30%, lower middle is 40%, below is 15%, and above is 5%. Education of listeners percentage is university or academy is 15%, high school graduate is 35%, middle school graduate is 35% too, elementary school graduate is 25%. Business activities plan. Here, of course, our main sell apart from creating radio content is selling advertising service, ranging from ad libs, spots, talk show, time signals, insert, and interviews. Managing legality by establishing legal entities and permits for the establishment of private broadcast radio, construction of studios, other supporting facilities and infrastructure. To arrange members for the activities of the Arputal FM radio station, such as in the short, medium, and long-term work programs. Assemble a daily team that is in charge of daily responsibility, organize events for youth to develop their talents, running Arputala programs properly and consistently, creating interesting and useful programs for young people. Radio establishment budget. Cost of establishing radio and studio establishment, company establishment deed or PT, CDP, and PWP company domicile, frequency use permit in the SUB, broadcasting operation permit in KPID, production room, operator room, broadcast room. Total amount is 172 million. B. Cost of the purchase of radio broadcasting equipment, transmitter TX, 5,000 watt, and coaxial cable and connector, tower 40 meters type self-supporting tower and antenna 6 bay, mixer 20 tracks audio 2 units, compact disc player, tape deck player 2 units, radio control tuner, microphone 4 pieces, computer 3 units, headphones 5 pieces, air conditioner and blower, 5000 VA generator, others like cable, soldering. Its all total amount is 840 million and 100,000. Radio establishment budget. C. Radio office equipment purchase cost. Writing desk 10 pieces, folding chairs 10 pieces, swivel chairs 10 pieces, reception desk, buffet from data cabinet, additional computers 5 pieces, printers 3 pieces, and Ethicus stamp file box. Total amount is 188 million. The other device installation of two telephone lines, PEPX box installation, SMS line installation, making radio nameplate is all total amount 35 million and 500,000. E-promotion annual expense by promoting famous radios, billboards, Google Ads, endorsements. Total amount is 90 million. Total amount of entire budget of cost 1,236,600,000. Source of income, commercial ads, one day average 10 ads, local ads average 10 ads in one day. Public service advertisement is one day average 10 ads. And even outside, example is media support, 1 year at 2 times. Office and agency corporation advertisement is 1 year 10 times. All amount 1 year income is 2,351,000,000 rupiah. Profit loss table. Profit and loss year 1 is minus at establishment and implementation. And then marketing is 2 minus. That's why in net profit we got minus 76 million and 600,000, or we size minus 76.6 million. In year 2, 1.6 billion. We got a profit in the years 2. Year 3, we got a repay. In year 3 is 2.3 billion. In year 4 is 2.2 billion. In year 4 is 2.2 billion. In year 5 is 2.2 billion. In year 6 is 2.6 billion. Year 7 is 3.9 billion. Okay, next. This cash flow in 7 years. We got minus in years 1. Years 2, we got the profit, but we don't have a repay. And this is the note we have been able to repay the capital in third year. And description of activities for the next 7 years in year 1 is establishment and implementation, marketing, stock auction. In year 2, we got marketing, stock auction, and advertising income. In year 3, we got the marketing. We make a marketing, stock auction, advertising income, and employee check. 2 years time, we do the employee check. Yep, next year for we do the marketing and advertising income. Year 5, we make the marketing and advertising income. In year 6, we marketing and advertising income and employee check again. In year 7, we get the marketing, stock auction, and advertising income. Okay, next. Our goals for 2030 is we hope we get the new station radio in big city is the 10 station, and income from 10 station we calculate that maybe 200 billion, maybe. Yeah, I hope that. Okay, next. Chapter 3, Implementation Method. 3.1, Preparation. By promoting famous radios is 50 million, billboards 10 millions, Google Ads is 15 millions, endorsement is 15 millions. 3.2, Production Making. In this In the fare we produce every day, keeping in mind the increasing needs of the entertainment world, especially among teenagers, so we adjust production according to up-to-date content, according to the times, to avoid losses and miss the purpose of making radio. How to make radio production? First of all, of course, we will design the content that will be broadcast on the radio. Then determine the schedule for the content to be broadcast according to schedule if necessary. Once a month plus we start to make it fun. Presenting content properly and correctly. Check listener enthusiasm. 3.3 Packaging. We pack this effort with the theme of confusion. In addition to confusion, we also create a lot informative and comedy content, especially at a certain event. We package it's as nicely as possible because the sensation in the field feels more exciting. So we made a variety of different packages depending on the place we were going, but we still broke up the unique theme confusion. 3.4 Marketing. Our goals are very broad, so we carry out various marketing strategies. Distribution of billboards in corner points of the city of Yogyakarta, such as on Jalan Janti, Kaliurang, Palagan, Malioboro, and many others. Do interesting content to invite the enthusiasm of the listeners, invite hype guests, through online media, creative marketing. During the promotion period, we give discount to sponsors, especially those who are just starting with the above methods. We are very optimistic that we will reach more of our listeners, and we hope they will market the products we advertise on the radio indirectly, word of mouth. 3.5 Innovation. The innovation that we do are, of course, by adding or replacing content that is no longer interesting to content that is currently being discussed. For example, from greeting content, so podcast content, especially horror podcast, has a lot of interest. 3.6 Evaluation. We will evaluate each end of our productive day to find out if there is a technical error or human error while on air, so that every day we can improve ourselves and strategies and can achieve these business goals. Chapter 4 Closing of the Plan. Business Development. By looking at the potential above, we are optimistic and confident that our business will develop and progress because we have considered it very carefully and have prepared all the costs and equipment needed. Therefore, we are determined to be able to compete with existing competitors, and we firmly believe that the broadcast content that we offer can be accepted by the wider community and become a leading radio. And we are very confident that our business goal is achieved, namely to make a radio media to be liked and heard by many people as before, and we want to make it radio friendly for teenagers and young people because so far radio is considered old fashioned and outdated. In addition, we also want to change people orientation to radio, which is an old school media and indispensable medium. Access. Radio Arputala can be accessed easily and can be listened to offline without an internet connection, presenting an interesting and different program for teenagers, more practical and of course flexible. Radio Oputala can reach areas or places with minimal signal access, for example in rural areas. Efficiency. We only really own one element, namely sound. Therefore, we maximize that element as best we can and spread it via radio streaming, which can be replayed if you miss our show. The nature of broadcast is irrevocable, therefore we have prepared a broadcaster who is capable of delivering news or message. It looks old school and it's not attractive to teenagers, but the Arputala team has prepared news, event, or message to attract listeners from among teenagers. Closing. Thus, the proposal for the establishment of the Arputala private radio was submitted. Hopefully, this activity will run well and receive support from various parties. We hope that our proposal will be well received and hopefully this proposal will be made official. We hope that this Arputala radio will be operational soon. We realize that this proposal is far from perfect. Therefore, constructive criticism and suggestion are very much appreciated. Thank you for your attention. Glad to be able to present it to you.